Here's a fun and challenging little project. I have this dial indicator that I've had forever, and the crystal has gotten pretty beat up and cracked over time. The other problem with it is that the face no longer spins with the ring. It slips, so you can't set the zero. So I was trying to figure out a way to replace that crystal. Unfortunately, nobody seems to make one that's in this size. It's 2-inch diameter. And the closest I could find on eBay was a pack of these two from China, which are 2.1 inches in diameter. So the trick is to find a way to hold one of these in the lathe and be able to turn it down. So what I thought I'd do is create a fixture that uses O-rings to compress the crystal, one on each side, something like this, and then make these parts of the lathe. This would be the one that goes in the chuck, and then this one is the pressure plate, so it'd be actually turned the other way. And the O-ring goes right in this boss here, and on the other part, the O-ring goes on this boss here, and then they compress together right at the O-ring where the O-rings meet. So it squeezes the plastic with a gentle squeeze. On this part here, this second diameter here, is a close match to the actual diameter of the unmodified crystal. And I do that so that this is really properly centered in the holder. And then when I actually go to cut it, I can cut this part off first in the lathe, get that out of the way, and then cut down to the correct OD and chamfer angle, which is 15 degrees on the new part. The other issue of the face slipping on the ring would be a pretty easy fix. I don't see any features in this as to how it was supposed to be grabbing that, but I know a long time ago it did grab and spin with the ring, but then it sort of just stopped doing that. So this is the pressure piece, this drawing here. I left the stock OD as it was. I got it out of the scrap bin because it really doesn't matter. Then the O-ring just goes on here. And this is the holding fixture, this guy, with the O-ring already in place. Here's the assembled fixture with the crystal clamp between the two O-rings. I've used a plastic ball from a handle here to as a makeshift center because I don't have a live center long enough to reach there. And there it is with the new crystal installed. It's kind of hard to see because there's no reflection, but it turned out pretty good. Much better. And reassembled.